Essiac is a traditional Native American herbal tea. In the early 1890s, a native medicine man in northern Ontario gave the herbal remedy to a woman with breast cancer. Her cancer was healed and left only a scar. About 30 years later, a Canadian nurse, Rene Caisse, inquired about the scar on the woman's breast. The woman then gave Nurse Caisse the recipe for making the tea. Rene Caisse later gave the healing tea to her mother and her aunt, who both had terminal cancer. The cancer disappeared, and both her mother and her aunt lived full lives without a recurrence of cancer. Rene Caisse then conducted experiments with laboratory mice and administered the tea to many other cancer patients under the supervision of several medical doctors. The doctors eventually petitioned the Department of National Health and Welfare. In the petition, they stated, "We, the undersigned, believe that the treatment for cancer given by Nurse R.M. Caisse can do no harm, and that it relieves pain, will reduce the enlargement, and will prolong life in hopeless cases." She was able to show remarkably beneficial results on the cases at that late stage. Through her laboratory and clinical experience with cancer patients, Rene Caisse eventually reduced the native medicine man's tea to just 4 herbs: burdock root, sheep sorrel leaves and roots, slippery elm bark, and the turkey rhubarb root. She called the tea Essiac, which is her last name spelled backwards. Rene Caisse kept the ingredients to her tea secret. However, she taught her best friend, Mary McPherson, how to make the tea and what the herbs were in their proper proportions. Mary revealed the Essiac recipe in an official, sworn affidavit recorded in the town of Bracebridge, Ontario in 1994. This was the final Essiac tea formula that Rene Caisse established after 50 years of research and experience with hundreds of cancer patients.